If you can score at least 40 out of 50 on this ultimate geography quiz, your brain is officially sharper than 99% of people. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Hit that subscribe button right now to lock in your luck, and let's begin. Question 1. Which country shares the longest land border with France? The correct answer is option C, Brazil. Question 2. Which is the only letter that doesn't appear in any U.S. state name? The correct answer is option C, the letter Q. Question 3. Which country has a unicorn as its national animal? The correct answer is option B, Scotland. Question 4. Which continent in the world without a desert? The correct answer is option A, Europe. Question 5. Which country in the world has absolutely no mosquitoes? The correct answer is option B, Iceland. Question 6. Which African country has Spanish as its official language? The correct answer is option C, Equatorial Guinea. Question 7. Which sea is the only one in the world with no land boundaries? The correct answer is option A, Sargasso Sea. Question 8. Which U.S. state is closest to the continent of Africa? The correct answer is option D, Maine. Question 9. Which is the only country without a rectangular or square flag? The correct answer is option B, Nepal. Question 10. Which country consumes the most coffee per capita? The correct answer is option D, Finland. Question 11. Which country has exactly 3 capital cities? The correct answer is option A, South Africa. Question 12. Which city has the most bridges in the world? The correct answer is option C, Hamburg. Question 13. Which planet in our solar system is the hottest? The correct answer is option B, Venus. Question 14. What is the capital city of New York State? The correct answer is option C, Albany. Question 15. Which country has the largest Muslim population in the world? The correct answer is option D, Indonesia. Question 16. Which ocean is the infamous Bermuda Triangle located in? The correct answer is option C, Atlantic. Question 17. Which is the longest river in the United Kingdom? The correct answer is option C, River Severn. Question 18. Which country is known as the land of the Thunder Dragon? The correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Question 19. Which U.S. state commercially grows the most coffee? The correct answer is option D, Hawaii. What is the coldest continuously inhabited place on Earth? The correct answer is option B, Oymyakon. Question 21. Which is the tallest building in the world? The correct answer is option C, Burj Khalifa. Question 22. Which country consumes the most chocolate per person? The correct answer is option B, Switzerland. Question 23. Which is the most densely populated country in the world? The correct answer is option B, Monaco. Question 24. Which ocean contains the Galapagos Islands? The correct answer is option D, Pacific. Question 25. Which city is historically known as the Eternal City? The correct answer is option C, Rome. Question 26. Which country has the oldest continuously used national flag? The correct answer is option B, Denmark. Question 27. What is the official currency of Switzerland? The correct answer is option B, Swiss franc. Question 28. Which European country is divided into regions called cantons? The correct answer is option B, Switzerland. Which country is credited with inventing paper? The correct answer is option C, China. Question 30. Which planet in our solar system has the most moons? The correct answer is option B, Saturn. Question 31. Which U.S. state borders exactly one other U.S. state?
The correct answer is option C, Maine. Question 32. Which animal is the symbol of the World Wildlife Fund? The correct answer is option C, giant panda. Question 33. Which country produces the most bananas in the world? The correct answer is option C, India. Question 34. Which is the largest non-continental island in the world? The correct answer is option D, Greenland. Question 35. Which country is completely surrounded by South Africa? The correct answer is option B, Lesotho. Question 36. Which is the second longest river in the world? The correct answer is option C, Amazon. Question 37. Which U.S. state has the most active volcanoes? The correct answer is option D, Alaska. Question 38. Which African country is Mount Kilimanjaro located in? The correct answer is option B, Tanzania.
Question 39. Which is the largest state in Australia by land area? The correct answer is option C, Western Australia. Question 40. What is the official language of Brazil? The correct answer is option B, Portuguese. Question 41. Which country features a prominent maple leaf on its flag? The correct answer is option B, Canada. Question 42. Which is the largest gulf in the world? The correct answer is option A, Gulf of Mexico. Question 43. What is the longest mountain range above water? The correct answer is option D, Andes. Question 44. Which country is home to Angel Falls, the highest waterfall? The correct answer is option D, Venezuela. Question 45. Which continent is often referred to as the frozen continent? The correct answer is option C, Antarctica. Question 46. Which is the most spoken native language in the world? The correct answer is option C, Mandarin Chinese. Question 47. Which is the only national flag that does not contain red, white, or blue? The correct answer is option C, Jamaica. Question 48. Which city is famous for its Leaning Tower? The correct answer is option C, Pisa. Question 49. Which ocean surrounds the island nation of the Maldives? The correct answer is option C, Indian Ocean. Question 50. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? The correct answer is option D, Florida. Out of 50 questions, how many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments below. If this quiz gave your brain a good workout, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily trivia challenges. Thank you for playing.